Okay, so let's start by changing some stuff here. So let's go directly to the point, and we'll change some items here just so you won't get bored, and then we can go back and talk a little bit on how it works. So if we go to your your folders here, you can go to source, pages, and in the pages here you can see all the pages that you see here, the dashboard, user profile, etc. So let's go to dashboard and find something that we want to change. For example, I would like to change this number, capacity 105 gigabyte. Okay. So here you have some stats cards and charts. If you go here, I believe those are the stats, and this is the chart here. So if I want to change something in the charts, let's see what's inside. You have A4. You have a loop, and we are going to talk about loops. So this is a loop here, and let's try to type something here. Hello. Save and see what happens. Oh, look at this. We have a loop and we have many hellos. So yes, so as you can see, this card is repeating, so I'm going to comment it. If I comment it and save, and they're gone, only the hello are left. So yes, so that's what we're looking for. Save. So I'm going to remove my hello, and you will notice that there is those cards and they have some data in them. So stats, title, value. Hey, where they are coming from, those stats. And so we have a loop, v4 stats in stat cards. So we have a variable here, stat cards, probably is an array which is down. So let's see down. Yeah. And you can see this array is JavaScript array that you can change the numbers here. 200. Let's see. And I have my 200 here. So it's just an array of objects, and each object is iterated in my template above, and there is a for loop here that is showing my dashboard, my cards. So yes, how cool is that? So if I want to change the data that I have in my card, I don't have to type here manually. I just have to type in the JavaScript, in the data down, which is this is the big power of Vue.js. So all your data is inside this object, big data, okay, and inside this here, finish here, and inside this object, which is data, you can have many arrays and many stuff in it. So for example, I believe this is user chart, activity chart, etc. So what's this? Email statistics. I believe it's going to be an email statistic object. Let's see if we have user activity chart. Maybe it's somewhere here. Label 62%, 32%, 6%. Yeah, do you see them? Yeah, 32%. So if we can, and series, I think those are just labels, and this is the real data. So if we say, let's say 33, 33, 33, and 33, that will make 99. So let's make it 34. So yes, we got something we can play with, and again, same thing. If we just find the data here for these here activity charts, January, and yes, we have the 5. I'm gonna make it 600 and save, and it should be 600 here. This is here 600. So after that, let's make it 800. Let's make it go up. So 800. And yes, 800. As you can see, the graph is changing. So this is a very simple way to change your data in your template. So that's what you have. You have Vue.js is a template, and then you have some JavaScript, which is, it starts with a script. Yeah, that's your template, and that's your script. And style, for now it's empty. So that's the first step on how to change things, but I would like to go one step forward, and I know this video a little bit is getting longer, more than 5 minutes, and that's okay. And if you go to your Vue.js devtools, and let's go here, and we are in the component is called, in this page, which is called the dashboard. So if I go to app, and then that's the dashboard. In this dashboard, you will find something called data here. So dashboard content, I guess. Nope. Dashboard. Nope. Sidebar. Dashboard. Sidebar. No. Top. No. Content footer. So let's try to find it this way. Yeah, that's a dashboard. Yes, and in this data here, you can see that the data that we were playing with is going to be here. So if you go stat cards, it was an object, and if you remember, we have the 200. We can modify it here. And if you say 300, you can see that you can modify here, but it's not going to be saved in the code. This is just to debug and see how you can change that. So all the data that you see here in your script down in this object data, you can see it in your inspector here, in your Vue.js tool devtools. And you can play with the values here, so you can see them, how they change, etc. And also you can see your components and how they are nested inside each other. So that concludes this video of 7 minutes, and next one will be about other stuff. So yes, see you then.